Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be talking about this 16-inch, 120 volt, 60 hertz scroll saw. This is something that I've wanted for a very long time, and I love doing little fine woodworking, but I've never been able to actually afford to get a scroll saw. But now I found one on sale after the Christmas season, so I went ahead and picked it up. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to check it out, actually do a few different little tests on it to see the types of radiuses and the cuts that I can make with this, and we'll go over some of the specifications. But before we get started, do me a huge favor. Right below your screen, below this video, there's a little button and it says subscribe. Please hit that for me, and you'll stay up to date with all my content. I have a lot of great videos coming up, so go ahead and hit that button now. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's the owner manual. I will read this from cover to cover. I promise. This is what it looks like in the box. Kind of hard to see, I know. Let's just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, so this is it. It looks like it's fully assembled. The reason why this is called the 16-inch scroll saw is I believe that this right here is the 16 inches from the table. This is a tilting table as well, so it really only goes one way. We want to make sure that that's level. It does have a really nice, and it's hard to see, but let me just turn it around. Has a nice air clearing system, so it just shoots a jet of air to move all of the wood shavings away. So it doesn't look like there's much setup here. We just need to make sure that everything's level. I'll make sure that everything's tight, and then let's get a piece of wood. I'm going to draw a little design on it. We'll get a close-up. Let's do a couple of small tests here. All right, I've done a quick little design on here. Let's give it a shot. I've tightened everything up. You know what? It's actually not that loud. So this guard goes up to 2 inches. Okay, let's see how it came out. Wow, look at that. Huh? Let's lay it down there. Fits right in. You see this one, you see that. Wow. My personal opinion here is that the scroll saw did a great job. I'm not an expert in scroll saws, but I can say that it was comfortable. It didn't vibrate that much. It was on its highest setting, and it cut smoothly. The air here to clear the sawdust off of the wood itself worked great, so I had a very clear working palette. All right, everybody, so what did you think? Did this live up to your expectations? I can say it lived up to mine. As you can see here, I'm going to pull it out. I made some pretty close cuts here, some small lines. I wanted to see how well I could articulate it. I am not that great at scroll saws, so please forgive me for not having very clean lines. The tool itself, it didn't have that much vibration. It was controlled, so it wasn't walking around the table that much. The air that it uses to clean the sawdust off worked awesome. So it's just a little plunger in here that just blows the air out, so it's self-made. There's no actual motor inside. All right, so anyways, everybody, I hope that you got something positive out of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It was great having you here, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.